This video covers making the bases for the awning brackets. We'll start this process by trimming the ends of the boards with a square cut. After that, mark the length of the bases. The top ends of the braces have a 10-degree bevel cut in them to help shed rain, so adjust the shoe of your circular saw to this angle. At this point, we recommend rounding over the cut edges with an 1/8 inch roundover bit, similar to the rafters and braces. Next, we'll mark the locations of the base fasteners. In this case, we're fastening to a brick wall, so the counterbores are sized for Tapcon anchors. Finish drilling through with a bit size for the shank of the base fasteners. Next, we're marking for the fasteners that will connect the rafters to the bases. Mark these on the front of the base and drill through with a small pilot hole to the back. Then, use a Forstner bit sized for the head of the fastener and drill counterbores on the back face. The small pilot hole allows the spur of the Forstner bit to center more easily in the hole location. And finally, over-drill the pilot holes with the final drill size that will allow the fastener shank to pass through. This completes the prep work for the bases, and next we'll move on to the purlins.